inside this building, there's a lineal drain in the center. And when it rains very heavily, we get some water that goes in, and the drains weren't flowing very well. So we ran a snake out the end of the pipe to try to figure out what was going on with the clog. We used a metal detector to find where it stopped. I got the backhoe out and dug this up. And what we found was the pipe just ended here. So anyway, what I've done is I got my laser transit out, and you can see a couple sticks in the ground there. I have a stake out there for the top of the pipe where it would be daylighted. There's also one on down for the bottom of the ditch. That'll be what I'll be showing you in this video. So anyway, we'll get the Kioti and the backhoe, and we'll dig a ditch. So what we're going to end up doing now, I have this ditch dug out here, and I got it daylighted downhill there, just about where the Kioti's sitting. It's a little bit below where this pipe is grade-wise, so we have a little bit of fall going that way. So what I'm going to do is I'll probably leave this drain here for a little while, and then I'll get some pipe and we'll hook onto this. Right now I have a 3-inch piece of Schedule 40 in that old sewer pipe, that old drain pipe. I'm at the hook onto that, getting water out of this building when it rains real heavily. There's a lot of stone. This was a lot of fill dirt. All this was added after the foundation was built. I think it was a pretty good demonstration of the power of it. It's slow and steady, and it definitely got the job done. So you can see we do have a ditch dug out, and we're in pretty good shape. All right, thank you for watching.